In this video, I'm going to give you some quick tips about how to set up your controls so that it'll be user-friendly or friendly for you. It would probably be smart to keep all your controls together as one cohesive unit, and then that movie clip you could place dynamically or drag around with your mouse or what have you. So here's what I would do if I were you. I would just start off very simply with a rectangle, and then I would draw yourself, I don't know, depends on how you want to size things or how much room you have to work with. Draw yourself a rectangle. If I were you, I would give it a definite boundary and outline. Now, the weird thing about selecting a rectangle in Flash is if you click once, you've selected the fill and only the fill. If you double click, then you've also got the boundary. Now, once you have everything selected, take that thing and what you want to do is convert it to a movie clip. Well, convert it to a movie clip. So convert to symbols on the very bottom. I don't think my screen's capturing that right now, but convert to symbol. You want that symbol to be a movie clip. Go ahead and call this something useful, and go ahead and export it for ActionScript so that you get that linkage name in case you want to program about it as a data type. You will get an annoying pop-up message, say that's okay. And now what you have, if you were to go and look at your library, now you have a control panel. Very exciting. Now, the reason that this is going to be handy is because then you're going to, in your design phase, double click it so that you go into your control panel, and you could then make yourself some text boxes that all belong in here. So for example, if you're going to be doing slope or whatever it is that you're going to be doing, you might need a few text boxes. Mine's not going to turn out too pretty, but of course this text box needs to have an instance name, so you'll give him an instance name. Draw yourself another text box. I don't really know the look I'll go for here, but go with it. So now you've got, hopefully, some text boxes. To give the user some visual clues, you might, normally I just throw this on another layer, you might then draw a rectangle with a different fill color behind those text boxes so that they visually can see what they're supposed to be doing. Anyway, so the top layer has the text boxes, the middle layer has the visual boxes, and the back layer is just that background. And you can also give yourself a button window. Where are my buttons? Library. No. Let's try that again. Where did I put those things? Well, it's going to be a long video. Common library. There it is. And button. Now, once you find some kind of button that you want, might as well have the big blue button in our big blue menu. Luckily, you can size that down if it's too big or whatever. You can even turn it sideways if you don't like it. But now you have a fully functioning control panel. Yours will be prettier than this, but that is all one thing that then can move around together, which is handy. And it's very handy because there may be times in your code that you want to move it or set it or place it, and so you only have to deal with one X and one Y position. So that is how I would start off my control panel.